Bafowethu uyayasithole is back. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi God is great. Uthemba Zwane, red card yakhe has been upgraded to 3 games. Yo, thank you. He's too old and he can't keep up with the tempo and the pace of the game anymore. But ucoach ube insist ukuqhubeka nokumfaka, but uNkulunkulu usenzele kwabalula ke. The red card yakhe upgrade. Thank you. God is great and uyayasithola suspended ile game edlulile. Thanks God, but uyabuya ke bafowethu. He's available now for selection and uyazi ucoach uzomfaka instead of starting with Umbatha and Adams in midfield and Mfokeng number 10. Anyway, amathuna seRockville lawa bafethu eRockville kuseTsakane. La umgwaqo uMojaji Street lo unyukela eTsakani Mall, Tsakani Mall. Nansi asobeka ichaze ke lokho kwivideo elandelayo useTsakani. Thank you Bruce for introducing Mfokeng in the second half because it gave us more direction, more presence. In the last third, Bonile now we were making final third entries, we're creating goal scoring opportunities, and this pose a threat to our opponents. We're all over them like Rash, bro. So I understand him now why game Mexico back 3 or back 5 or whatever you call it, but it's 5 defenders, 2 wing backs and 3 centre backs because he had wanted to absorb the pressure from the game. Second half, my gripe with Hugo Bruce, why don't you revert to our normal way of playing football as South Africans in the second half if this European approach that you're bringing is not working for us? Because now we are about to we can't create goal scoring opportunities with not even making any box entries. Shintsha phela. Let the boys play. Let team man take off the shackles, man. Musukuyiklinya abayiklinya kakhulu man. Hayi, musukuyiklinya man. Ubonile game when they half of what we wanted, because we had all wanted him to start with 3 forwards. Waqala ngabo Maseko, Reyners, Apolis. Mayabona ukuthi lama midfielder akhe uhalf walokho kunyaka kwenzanga uqala ama midfielders awu 3 are rigid. Nakhona we understand besesabe ufuna ukabsorb pressure. Beku Adams, kuMkwena, kuMbatha. Wabona kusebenza wafaka number 10. Sidlala kanjani ke thina? Sidlala ngo number 10 thina. We wanted Dr. Khumalo. We want a Tiko Modise, we want a Stephen Pienaar, we want a Raleigh, we want a Zwane, we want a Tito. Let the boys play, man. If your defensive mentality is not working, revert to our normal way of playing football. Because even Gwakona will introduce a new tactical approach going to a game. Introduce a new tactical approach at such a big stage. Because players tend to panic. Sometimes they don't even understand ukuthi baziposition kanjani yabo during the game benze njani. Yizo lika Hero Hotel ke leli bafethu. Mangabe ufuna iWi-Fi nje seqopheleni eliphezulu ithi nguthenga nokuthenga buka nje. Yonke indawo ezikoleni, onke amakhaya, yonke imizi. Yizo lika Hero Hotel leli. Yona Wi-Fi ebusayo la ekuruleni, yona Wi-Fi ebusayo la eTsakane Duduza kwaThema. Uhamba uzoyoshona le yona Wi-Fi ebusayo Hero Hotel. Ngisho la ezikoleni kubusa yona uyabo. Yonke indawo ngabe seyikoleni ngabe semasontweni. Anyway ngizothenga la Hero Hotel. Cela ucontact iWi-Fi affordable, fast. It doesn't buffer. Inayo yonke into ongathi uyicabange. So yeah, ngithi ngiyibambe lapho bafethu. Viva Bafana asibukele ne game against South Korea. Get the Bafana bedlala ibhola man. Let the boys play football. Eish.